Crane operation involves the handling of heavy objects. What are the primary precautions to prevent accidents? Huh? Which is the up button? Ah! Yeah. Have you now made out the two must nots? When at a loss which button to push, the worker forgot that his fingers were inside the hook. Never attempt to put your fingers into a hook. Never touch or hold any part of the hook directly, especially when the cargo is being lifted. When trying to stop a swaying hook, make sure to use a rope or wire sling. It is advisable to clearly indicate the up and down buttons on the remote controller in order to prevent mistakes on the operator's part. A seemingly trivial thing can lead to an accident.